24ora.com nos nakinanang na Miami Gardens net pa 4 Miami Stadium. Onda ku Diasabra a tardi, Norway tato pa Inglatera. E awe ambiente a kumisaka ba na Miami Beach. Ora ko nos topa gran cantidad de Fanaticonan de Noruega. Riba kaya. Evento conta con gran cantidad de Fanaticonan tanto americano nan ku pa Norway pero también nan ku viaja por diferentes otros estados nan otro país nan Noruega mes pasina kita de Noruega y nos a conversar con algún día nan presente también para mira con nan emoción ta y con nan pronóstico ta pa Noruega de Diasabra.
I think it's going to be a fairly easy 3-1 win. Holland will score the 2 first and I think Sheldrup will score the last. He comes in from the bench, yeah. Amazing. Look around you, it's just like Norwegian all around. It's so freaking hot for being Norwegians, right? But we freaking love it. Now, I drove 22 hours from New York from the last game. So we've been driving for the last days, just driving through like 10 states. Against Brazil, it was like 83,000 stadium. There were probably 75,000 people. We were 8. But the Norwegian fans were so freaking amazing that in the end, after we won, the Brazilian fans were just standing like filming Norwegian fans because we were so great. So the atmosphere is just amazing here.
What's your message to the England team?
You're going home. You're going home. You're going. England's going home.
Of course, it's Norway, and if I can stand here with the flag, so we get a good picture of how beautiful and Norwegian people are, and we are so excited for the game tomorrow. I think it will be a tight game, but I actually think we're going to win. We have a pretty good team this year, so.
Are you going to go inside the stadium?
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, of course, we're going to go to the stadium.
It's amazing. I never thought I would go here. We're actually going to the Brazilian game, and we're supposed to go home on Tuesday. But then I thought, no, I can't go home. I have to go to Miami. I have to see England, Norway. Oh, so I'm so excited. I can't believe it that we're here, that I'm here.
And how do you feel the energy of everybody here today?
It's crazy energy, and it's not just Norwegian energy. It's everybody, I think, cheering for us. It will be a great game tomorrow.
What's your forecast for the score?
I think 2-1 for Norway, yeah.
For the Miami Stadium, na undo ko turcos na tumuluga aqui atrás nang amita Mark Benson Dance pa 24ora.com no está. E prometeng noticia também cubriendo o Mundial around mundo.
Love, yeah.